Hello, my name is Harry J. Jackson. My number matrix is 07 PPK 23F1033. Today I'm going to show you how to use a multimeter. It's 1.58. Let's try if we put it 200. See how it goes. We get 1.0.16. Since we're using 200, the value will be much smaller. If we test about 1000, it has 0.01 or 2 because the value is too high for the battery to calculate. So if we put it a lower bit, which is 2k millimeter, let's see how it goes. I have to put it in. There we go. Let's see. We get 1582. If we put it even lower, we get none because it's too low for the battery. So in that video, I show you that the red is actually a positive, or as the black is a negative. When we both connect to the battery, where it's negative, negative, and positive, positive, it doesn't work because it's like an opposite. It's like the same. When it's like if two magnets are like the same, like south, south, and north, north, they won't stick. But if it's like south and north, they will stick. So you have to put the negative in a positive in the positive part, while the negative will be the positive will be in negative, and the negative will be on the positive, which is this, which is the positive, and this, which is the negative. And we're going to use a DC because the DC is a direct current for a battery, because a battery is directly supply current